Welcome back, viewers. Welcome, subscribers. Wagwan so Movado, known as David Brooks, also son Dante Brooks. Them say the verdict may not be handed down until end of month, is April. So stick around and see what Wagwan. Right, my viewers and subscribers, watch a prayer. We are going to talk about what the description say, but first we are kick it off with Shenzia. Is it and the local rumors and speculations about who are the new queen of dancer? You see me? So Shenzia neglect and reject being the queen of dancer. She says she not interested, none at all in them the something there. You see me? I'm like how that not change our confidence, our belief, and way of doing things. You see my guys, and Drake did say one time when him collect a nominee award, him look on everybody and say, let not this choose that we are great or determine that we are great, but know that we are great inside. You see me? And that I go on. All the things Shenzia need are some more years upon what she do. What you think? Man, leave a comment, man, if you don't think that. So Dante, this is Dante, the picture there, when me do want to show you with him. You see it behind the bars, you see me? This is when people get comfortable, you know. People not just do them something there, you know. And me I tell you, you know. Yeah, man. Anyways, so move on differently. You can know say I do all him what him can do, cause a champagne they on the case. You see me? So the dancehall artist right now, I'm just stay positive, stay private about him thing, but we are work for the best at the same time. Yeah, man, people. Right, this. So Queenie, tired of both the people, them follow her up, and she say I eat a bill at the end of the day. But see for yourself now.
Blagger, wanna get up on and take my video them. No, understand one blood clot £100 come give me. I wanna take my video and wanna want meme. Wanna do it for scheme, wanna do it for blood clot lean. Wanna want class blood clot me, but when me hear them shows, they can't hear me. I'm not even if it's a girl either. There's somebody coming, no, it's not a fucking cow. A cow can't type. Dear me, I said to me, say, Queenie, you should have shame of yourself. She have forced me for shame now. You should have shame of yourself because what for keeping in your bedroom, them you keep them. I mean, I said bedroom, I for keeping that. And then the same bed with sitting in every day. Me do how much in singing at the bed, how much in ads in at the bed, the same bed. So one out through the man in him shots. I exercise, I do him one, do whatever I want, blood clot. Oh, no man, I play with no love or romance. Let me teach you now. All the thing me get him and get the ring, me loving. We're loving. We play to the fullest. Sky's the blood clot limit. And I never said do it on my back yet. When you got blood clot sitting at the video coming out, subscribe to when I think of blood clot chatting this. What is mine? It's 9. It's not for none of uno. I'm do what I want to do with my own. What the fuck, my man Margaret? I'm not fat like blood clot. Humpy dumpy sat up on a wall. If him did a humpy blood clot dumpy, me have to put me on him neck. But because man a humpy dumpy and him have him nice blood clot, me trying to give me about my blood clot video and I sit down and chat about, you should have shame of yourselves. In the bedroom, then when me do the rest of the time, them in the bedroom for me there at Jamaica. Honestly, me have blood clot somewhere. It's either out here, so I catch my blood clot, catch over the, if putting one blood clot, do put out my puss clot out, I'm out there, I catch with. So now I call him phone and message him, my monitor. I want him to run me. Me, live good. I may have my mama place, may have my father place, may have my auntie them place, may have my blood clot place. Me have my place. I don't know much blood clot. Me can't live out there. Me do too much good. Me don't need for run down no blood clot body. So at the end of a good day, if Dewey was the other person, not love me the way I'm love me, the boy that beat out my pussy hole in this, me and him would have beer. I'm sure I'm shut down and quiet. Me so, oh, don't say nothing, baby girl. Don't say nothing, baby girl. Don't say nothing. Not like your blood clot tell do it. Me have to say something. Because of me put you up there. So me made them a bash blood clot you. Because of your natural flow, your love, or you have to me and you play. Me never know say if something in this one of the team cocky going on my pussy. Come on. How do you have the code them? Who this? Rich, and you have the code. Rich, you feeling jello good here? exercise, you just transform. Your skin nice, your skin look fresh and nice. You should pick up yourself. Me tired of cold, man. Me not talk about no cold something. Me trim my vet and me have to let out my little steam as I am an Instagram, a social media influence, and people love to say, what am I doing? And what the fuck on I do on it? If I somebody the case, no, we're not on it. Me come off and uno come off. But if you don't come off, me not coming off either. Uno stay, me stay. Uno come off, me come off. Fuck off. Yeah. And no, me have this to come and run me. You know, say I'm hungry, him not have no clothes. Which him don't even have no blood clot clothes and him don't fucking hungry. And the funny girl we are crying at the youth DM. Me have do a password. Remember me telling her that. I always him not give me my new password because me and him there everywhere. Anything on the right in I'm there, me see. Remember me telling her. So all who set up do it for me and I tell do but you go take from Queenie. You don't know do it all long. My run come down here with here for 2 weeks. I 3 little hungry belly shots, so little blood clot, little shots I bring for do. I never bring no clothes, because I never come here for tea, I never go shopping either, because I stop shoplift. I'm telling them my blood clot, man. I get to do it in my humble, because I'm hot. If I want shirt, him love wash, him love tidy. If I want shirt, him wash it, put on him roll on, and him smell good. So when I not sit down, I see me and this little youth, I bill, and we're happy, and we have good flow, and it's beautiful. I know label the youth. Me I got class out to no blood clot. Me I got class to no. Because I don't have no love, you know, I don't have no passion, I don't have no affection. And when man just fuck on, I got so all some man pussy things, some kind of pussy things, no man ram phone, no man play with you. That is what you call love. Yeah, not just to fuck you. Come on people Instagram, come class people and it's a real love. No fun to know what it is real love. Because I don't have no man. I want to love no man and I'm sure no love. I want to make all friends and people and society. I couldn't embrace the blood clot love. So I want to miss out. I want to miss out and see me Queenie, you know, I live my life over yes, as Goody would have said. Queenie, we now worry about them bad comments because we live a life over here. But bad comments is about us. So what, my darling?
Yes.
But I can't make no view.
Well, man.
Them don't draw me out. My glad for listen man, me can't always draw in. Remember life is a cycle, you know, Devante. So it's alright for me to be happy-go-lucky every time someone say nice and I do something nice. But it's alright for me to get upset as well. I'm only human. And I can't be the blood clap me. I'm still on quiet. Now tell me.
Me see video. No, the video. The man don't video for him enter.
Alright.
I
put him make him there. But a slim youth like that, what you expected? Me say, what me see me and do, I go to hill the morning and I do run up the hill and run. It's so fascinating.
You might tomorrow.
Energetic and fit. So you know, me and him always a play around and it's fascinating because me go for my head too, you know. I'm in a balance, so the balance of me in a balance. You know, it's a competition with me and him. I try balance and me I say, baby girl, mind your hurt yourself. It fascinates me. I mean, I look on it, I say, but them people really try to trick me. Oh, no, can't trick the rest of people. Them can't trick me. What man message me? Admit when you're wrong. Admit when me wrong. Go suck your thinking dead mama girl. Me with this blood clot your mama already your mama. What do you mean by admit? What you do? Admit to me wrong. Come suck the last part of my battle old woman. Who you tell for admit? Me I go get upset. Me for admit to me wrong. What me do wrong?
You know the
I'm not for compare Instagram. Some of them make them attract my man name now and I label my blood clot man. I'm in a dip up under them now. Unless you go to bed I am.
Calling people that you know you can't stop people from the class. Them right now them just they're not gonna stop talk.
That's why they can't stop me from talk, baby. That's why we're both weird.
Them can't stop me. So they know say you when them talk them fuck you go cuss out them blood clot but you have to just load them, make them talk. You see me? Them,
you know what you know about me?
You are the queen, you know. You are the queen. Just remember, every time you see the people I fuck on the bed, remember say, yo, is you the queen. So no matter what you do, it's a talk about. No matter what you do, If you look at people from here, so they say it got talk about.
Them for talk, I mean, I talk, I can talk for talk. What way? Them talk, may I come up there with my gun? Eh?
We tell the man single job.
Wait, man, wait till the job.
I saw a single job, I bet say that we want next talk about. You see me?
Well, look at them going about the hand stage, we should not kiss man hand stage. And I'm like, but kissing is something natural. You there in guys stand up, you see white people, them just a kiss some. All 10 minutes you stand up, you see them a kiss, and you wonder where them a kiss. And then there's so many people that have cornflakes. Some of them never get them cornflakes yet, man. That's why them so blood clot negative. Man, go buy one pack of cornflakes, man. Bomba make some taste in the boat, man. Some jam. So look up in pan it. Big up yourself, Ashnet. Bless them, love you.